Hello, namaste, and welcome in the series of cybersecurity. This side is Meena, and today I will discuss about what are network baselines and their benefits. Different companies having a specific objective for their business. Okay, for example, if there is a company that's dealing in the financial sector, they are having different requirement for the network whatever they are having. Okay, someone is in the medical line, so whatever the network they are using for their hospitals or some medical services, then they have different network requirements. Some companies are the cloud based companies, so they are offering different services to their clients. Okay, and maybe they are using different products or creating some products or services, so they are having different requirements for their network. Clear? So every companies which is having a network, they are using different devices, that there can be router switches, their servers, okay, endpoint devices, there can be the uh, voice devices, video type of services they are using, or using the services of the other companies. Okay, providing the services to their clients or their users or their employees, or maybe they are using the services from the other vendor. Okay, so they have why they are establishing a network because every business is having some specific objective, and to achieve that objective they need a certain set of devices which will help them to achieve their objective. Okay, that means we are having some requirement from the those devices which we establish in our network. Clear? Here is an example of enterprise network. So a large campus. Okay, just you can see here the large campus, and there is another medium campus of the companies, and that is the small campus. Okay, and they are having access on the internet, and with the WAN or the PSTN connections, they are connecting these different campus. Okay, they they might have their data center, small data center. Okay, and they are having servers. Okay, uh, and devices. So there is specific requirement for that company. Okay, let's see another example of the network. For example, this is another type of network where they are having a specific segment for the data center. Okay, and this section is for the connecting to the outside world. Okay, so that's the enterprise edge module, and here is another enterprise as a module for the remote access, VPN, internet connectivity, and for the e-commerce. So uh, the main motive is this company is different from the previous one. Okay, and having certain uh, expectation from their network. Okay, another example is for the data center. Okay, here is the huge, this is just a specific purpose of storing the data and providing the data to the client when they are requesting. Okay, so there are a number of servers, such kind of devices which will store the data and access that data in a frequently basis, and giving the very high speed connectivity to provide the data to their users. Okay, so this is having specific requirement. Now this question comes, when we are having a certain kind of network, and the company is having an objective, then just how we come to know whether our a network which we are using or which we designed is performing as per the expectation what we set for it. Okay, definitely we need to monitor it. Okay, we need to test it. So on the regular basis, when we try to find out what is the performance of our network. Okay, whether that's in the normal use, normal timing of the requirement when we are using our network, or maybe at the peak hours or the peak timing, what is the performance of our network. So we on the real time uh, utilization of network, we just trying to understand what exactly is the performance of our network. and how it can help our organization. Now, for example, a company, whatever they set, maybe they are not implementing the things or the protocols or the applications or the hardware or the software, so that their network can give the better performance and they can give the better productivity. Okay, so they will set those things as per the information, detailed information collected by the testing and the reporting. Okay, and for example, if a company want to expand, and for the scalability, they on which part of their network they need to expand, which devices they, what devices they are going to use, or what services they are going to use, or what software they need. So that is uh, come through the network baseline. Okay, so just we are testing it, whatever we designed, whether it's performing as per the desired result we are expecting from it. Okay, sometimes different attacks happen. Okay, for example, here is a hacker and he is performing attack on that data center. Okay, so it is that hacker is sending uh, the huge type of traffic on the specific part of the network. Okay, so the testing, just we can come to know, yes, there is some leakage or the loophole on that part of our network, then just we come to know. Okay, so whatever the reporting we will generate or will get, that is really very very helpful to understand the current situation of our network, and for the future improvement or for the expansion of our business, it is really very very helpful. Okay, and it's also providing the security. Okay, so that is network baselines, and it is just giving us, until unless we don't know about our network, how it is performing, then just how we come to know, yes, we are using the right kind of devices or services or software, and where we need to improve our network. Okay, and that we can achieve with the help of the network baseline. So guys, you can follow me on the cybersecurity prism and get the notification for the next interesting informative session. And in the next session, I will share with you why is it important to monitor the right stuff. Okay, if you will not monitor the right stuff, what will be the consequences, and if you will monitor the right step, what will the benefit will get out of it. Okay, share the video with your friends so that they can also understand the cyber security in a proper way, in a broad way, in a better way. Okay, namaste, see you in the next session.